Anshul Jubli is not retiring, and the people acting like his Hyrox training post was some cryptic goodbye message need to relax because Hyrox is just a brutal hybrid endurance competition that combines running with functional workouts. It has nothing to do with MMA retirement. It's just cross training, and fighters at every level do this kind of work to build cardio, toughness, and durability. But the moment a fighter posts something outside of the cage, casuals immediately start screaming, "He's done! He's leaving the UFC!" When in reality, it's the exact opposite. It shows he's still hungry and pushing himself to evolve. So let's actually deal with the facts here, because too many people are running with the wrong story. Anshul Jubli is 0 and 2 in the UFC. Not undefeated, not some flawless prospect who suddenly vanished, but also not a washed up veteran on his way out either. His big breakout came when he won Road to UFC in 2023, finishing Jeka Sargey with a TKO in the lightweight finale. But that was the tournament contract fight, not an official UFC roster bout. And once he signed, he hit turbulence, getting knocked out by Mike Breeden at UFC 294 and then getting clipped early and stopped in just 19 seconds by Quaylen Salkild at UFC 312. So yeah, he's suffered back-to-back losses. He's eaten some humble pie. And that stings. But that doesn't mean retirement. It means he's in the rough part of the climb. And every fighter who's made it to the top has been through this kind of adversity. What people need to remember is that Anshul is still only 30 years old, still in his athletic prime, still carrying the torch for Indian MMA, and the UFC invested in him for a reason. Because they know the potential is there, the talent is there, the marketability is there, and the fact that he's posting high rocks work shows he's not sulking, not disappearing, but building himself back up in ways that will make him even more dangerous. Because endurance, grit, and functional strength are exactly what you need to survive and thrive in the lightweight division. And fans acting like he's quitting are just showing how short sighted they are. Retirement is when the fire is gone, when the body breaks down, when a fighter cashes out financially and mentally, and nothing about Jubilee screams that. If anything, his actions scream that he's hungry to adapt and come back sharper. And this is what real fighters do. They take losses, they cross train, they experiment, they rebuild smarter. So instead of rushing him into a box or writing fake headlines about retirement, people need to give him time. Let him find his rhythm again. Because when he returns to the octagon, he'll be better conditioned, more resilient, and hungrier than ever. And the truth is, Hyrox isn't some retirement party. It's a reminder that he's still grinding, still chasing greatness, and still carrying the weight of a whole country's hopes on his back.